If you're a professional painter then, having the right ladder is essential for getting the job done safely and efficiently. But with so many different ladders on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. In this video, we'll review the different types of ladders available and help you choose the best one for your needs. We'll also give you some tips on how to use your ladder safely and effectively. So if you're looking for a new ladder for your next painting project, be sure to watch this video. Number 1. Rubbermaid RM-SLA3-T Aluminum Ladder. One of the standout features of the Rubbermaid aluminum ladder is its incredible portability. Weighing in at just 8 pounds, you can effortlessly move it wherever you need to get the job done. It can hold up to 225 pounds with an ANSI Type 2 duty rating. It comes with a large project tray that gives you hands-free storage for tools. It's all about making your life easier. Number 2. HBTower 4-Step Folding Ladder. The HBTower ladder is made from a sturdy steel frame and features comfortable handrails for added safety. The ladder is 21 inches into 33 inches into 64.2 inches when open and 68.5 inches into 21 inches into 8.7 inches when folded. It weighs 19.1 pounds and has a capacity of 330 pounds. The top standing platform is 14.2 inches wide into 10.5 inches deep and boosts you 37 inches from the ground. The rubber feet fully touch the ground to keep the ladder stable and prevent scratches on the floor. It's suitable for most people, especially the elderly. Number 3. SocTone Folding Steel Ladder. It's made of high-quality steel, so it's very sturdy and can support up to 330 pounds. It has a large tool platform that can hold up to 35 pounds, so you can keep your tools and supplies close at hand. The pedals are wide and have a non-slip rubber pattern, so you can feel safe and secure while climbing. It folds up to just 2.6 inches thick, so it's easy to store and transport. Number 4. COSCO 2061 AABLKE Steel Ladder. The ladder weighs just 16.1 pounds, and it folds down to a compact size for easy storage and transportation. The ladder is made of high-quality steel, and it has a weight capacity of 330 pounds. The ladder features a safety lock design to keep it in place while you're using it. And it has wide pedals with non-slip rubber treads for added safety. The ladder can be used for a variety of tasks, both indoors and outdoors. It's perfect for painting, cleaning, reaching high shelves, and more. Number 5. FEETE 14.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. The ladder is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which makes it sturdy and lightweight. It also has a load capacity of 330 pounds, so you can be sure it's strong enough to handle most tasks. The ladder can be used as an A-frame ladder or a straight ladder. This makes it ideal for a variety of projects, such as cleaning gutters, painting your house, or trimming trees. It also has a balance bar and anti-slip foot covers for added stability. The ladder is lightweight and easy to carry, thanks to its 2 built-in wheels. Thanks for watching this video on the best ladders for painting. We hope this helped you choose the right ladder for your needs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tool reviews and tips.